In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a video on Microsoft Teams with audio. Whether you're hosting a virtual meeting, conducting a training session, or just sharing a fun clip with colleagues, making sure your video comes with audio is essential for clear communication and effective presentations. So, let's dive into it. First, you'll want to make sure you've joined or started a meeting on Microsoft Teams. If you're starting a meeting, click on the Meet Now button or join an already scheduled meeting. Once you're in the meeting, direct your attention to the toolbar at the bottom of your screen. You'll notice a range of icons, one of which is the Share Content button, often represented by an upward arrow or a box and an arrow. Click this icon to reveal the sharing options. Now, as you prepare to share your screen, here's a crucial step. To ensure your video comes through with sound, make sure to select the option that reads, Include Computer Sound. This option is usually found at the top of the share tray and is a checkbox you can tick. Including the computer sound ensures that anything you're playing on your device, such as a video, will stream into the conference with audio intact. This is the key to sharing videos with audio on Teams. Next, you can select how you want to share your screen. You have the option to either share your entire desktop or a specific window. Sharing your entire desktop is generally recommended when switching between multiple applications, whereas sharing a specific window is useful when focusing on a single application, such as a video player. Choose the option that best suits your need. If your video is already loaded in a window or tab, for example, in a video player app or a browser window, simply click on that window in the share tray. Once selected, you're ready to play your video. Be sure to start the video only after you've finished selecting and sharing the window to avoid participants missing the beginning. While the video is playing, you might want to periodically check in with your participants when appropriate to ensure everyone can see and hear the content clearly. Ask them for a quick confirmation in the chat or verbally, especially if it's a critical part of your meeting or presentation. For smoother transitions, consider having all your resources preloaded and ready to go before the meeting. This minimizes downtime and helps make your presentation look professional and well organized. Once you've finished sharing your video, you can simply click the Stop Sharing button, typically found at the top of the screen, to return to the standard meeting view. And there you have it. Sharing a video with audio in Microsoft Teams is as simple as that. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials.